Hi there, it is now time for our reading activity. You're going to grab your journal and you're going to open up to a clean page. Today's date is 12/3/20. And the title of our page is going to be Text Features. If you need to, you can go ahead and pause this video to catch up. Okay, so all we're doing right now is just setting up our journal for the next slide. 1, 2, and 3. On the next slide, you're going to see you're going to see 4 boxes. One box is going to have A, and you don't need to copy this, what I'm about to do. If it helps, fine, but you don't have to. Heading is A. B is photograph. C is diagram. Okay, now this right here is on the next slide in one of the boxes. So what you're going to do is on the next slide, you're going to see there's 4 boxes and you're going to see a box that says 1. You're going to hit the little audio button and it's going to read you these multiple choices. A, heading, B, photograph, C, diagram. You're going to then look at the image, and if you think the answer is maybe B, you would write B. And then after that, you go to the second box with the number 2, click on the audio button, and it'll read you the choices of A, heading, B, photograph, or C, diagram. You pick the best answer and write it for number 2. And then you go to number 3, click on the audio button, and it's going to read you these choices, A, heading, B, photograph, or C, diagram, and then you write the best answer right here. And all you have to do is just write A, B, or C. And that is it.